Selecting good Lean Six Sigma projects is the beginning of success with Lean Six Sigma. So, in this session, we'll be talking about what a process is, what CTQs are and how we use them, what the impact of cost of poor quality or COPQ is, the Pareto analysis or 80-20 rule, and some basic Six Sigma metrics. If we take a large organization and circling HR at the top, we can drill down into the exact issue of what's where the problems are. So how do we take that customer requirement, often referred to as VOC, voice of the customer, and make that something measurable? Well, we call that the VOC to CTX conversion, or critical to X factors. Those CTXs have four elements: the name itself, the measure, the metric, what are we actually going to measure, the target, what is the goal, and what is the specification. The customer defines those tolerance limits. So you can see here an example of VOC to CTX conversion. I have to wait 48 hours to get a reply to a single email. So that's the voice of the customer. That can be turned into a problem statement. So what's the measure that we're going to use for that? It would be turnaround time. And then you can see the specification. What is the customer willing to accept? Here's another demonstration of that using the CTQ tree. So we have customer needs and then customer requirements. Getting that voice of the customer is critical. And then we go to the detailed specifications. Remember that X's are always inputs and Y's are always outputs or responses. So the performance to schedule is our response here. How are we going to measure it? What is the target that we're looking for, or what the customer is looking for? What are those specification limits that the customer is willing to accept? And then what is our allowable defect rate?